The purpose of these pages is to give you insight into how you think and why. Each individual has a different life experience than those around them. Our experiences and the people around us influence the way we think about things, people, and events. This assignment is meant to help you reveal what you think about different ethical situations. Many of the situations given are difficult to answer because there is little information given. In essence, you are given ultimatums. Ultimatums rarely happen in real life, but for the purpose of this activity, they are given to push you into making a choice. So let's look at what each page is asking you to do. Page 1. Go through each of the hypothetical situations and determine if they are a fool or a hero. Once you have decided if they are a fool or a hero, write a couple sentences about why you labeled them as a hero or a fool. This is based purely on your opinions. If you are unsure about what a term means, then Google it. Your answer should be based on what you think, regardless of who it is, where they're from, or why they're doing it. Situation 15 is one that often confuses students. The person is a willing participant to be an object of experiment. They are volunteers. There is no one forcing them to make the choice. Now, let's look at page 2. This guilt graph is based on what you think society values you at. Each scenario from A to K will be valued on a scale of 0 to 100. Remember, this isn't how you value it, but how you think society values it. Once you have graphed each scenario, you will write your opinion about society's value system. Write 1 to 2 paragraphs about your thoughts about what happened on page 2. On page 3, point counterpoint. You're answering the question, is taking human life ever justifiable? This is your first instinct answer. Then for question 2, you will test your answer. Answer yes or no for question 2, A through J. Page 4 looks at how you view the sins of others. There are 7 different types of people. Each has a different sin. Your job is to rate each of them on a scale of 1 to 7. 7 is the best, or in other words, the least bad. One of the worst is the people listed. You're judging what you think their degree of evil is. When we read the Inferno, we will see how Dante rates the level of evil of sinners. For each person, tell me why you rated them the way you did. It should be 2 to 3 sentences to defend your reason. The final page, page 5, asks you to look at altruism. The first line tells us what altruism is defined as, which is unselfish regard for or devotion to the welfare of others. A key trait of altruistic people is their ability to possess empathy, which is the capacity for participating in another's feelings or ideas. Page 5 asks you questions about selfishness and empathy. Answer each one as honestly as you can.